If you were an invisible person, what would you do at the first thing?
I would go invisible.
Yeah.
Is that not the first thing I would do?
Yeah. Imagine. Imagine.
Morning, Ahmed.
Good morning, Claire.
Morning. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How was your day till now?
Well, it's only just begun.
Wow. That's amazing. So
I
when did
know.
you wake up?
Well, I woke up maybe about an hour and a half ago, and then I've
Just
had
like me.
Really? Hey.
Just like me.
Yeah. I'm definitely not an early bird. Definitely not. So
We have something in common.
oh, thank goodness.
I thought I'm the only one.
Oh no. I will sleep in as long as I can.
You know, I had like a conversation with Joelson and the other guys yesterday.
Oh,
And
yes.
I told him tomorrow I have a conversation with Claire, so I can't like attend the conversation with you guys. And he said, "Yeah, it's okay. It's just a half an hour." And you know the time difference between Brazil and Iraq. We have like 8 hour difference.
Completely.
And he started the conversation at 8 p.m. Brazil time, and in my time, Iraq time, I guess 2 a.m. Wow! So I had to stay up with them.
Wow. I was fast asleep by that point. I was happy in dreamland.
Yeah, exactly. You know, wow! I can't believe myself. I'm having like a second conversation today with you. You have passed the exam. Congrats.
Yes. Did I pass with flying colors?
Yeah, do you know what does it mean? It means like you are an incredible tutor that you persuaded me to have another session with you.
2 in 1 week. That's amazing.
Yeah,
I feel quite honored. Thank you.
yeah. You know, I used to like have a conversation, like as a first conversation with my tutors, 30 minutes, just to get to know each other,
Yes.
to figure out what is whether my tutor is like fits for me, like I can understand from her accent. So that's why you have passed the exam. You are on the next level.
This is a good day. Thank you.
Yeah.
I
And
feel
prepare
this is
for
going to be a really good day. Yes.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make your day.
Okay.
Okay, prepare for the third session.
Oh, I'm super prepared. Bring it. I love round number 3.
You know, yeah, I like to make it like this, you know.
Yes. Okay.
Do you need some cheer up?
Well, I mean, I'm in a very good mood, I have to tell you.
Oh, wow.
But I can always do with some cheer up and some good cheer.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can say that. Yeah, I can say that.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a funny question for you. Okay.
Okay.
But you have to focus. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Just like this. Yeah.
Okay, I'm in it.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you complete the workout?
Hang on. Spirit fingers. Okay. I'm good. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the difference? What is the difference between you and me?
What is the difference between you and me? I mean, well, the obvious difference is I'm female and you are male.
Nope.
Much more than that, I believe we both are human. I believe we both have feelings and emotions. I believe we both have opinions and a voice to state those opinions. And I believe we both are made out of flesh and blood. And I believe so.
You go so far. You go so far. Focus on the sentence itself.
What is the main difference between you and me?
Remember, I said like it's a funny question.
The main difference between you and me? Is this like a riddle?
You, a riddle. You has 3 letters, and me has 2.
Ah!
Gotcha.
Okay, so think English, Claire. Think English. Not philosophy.
Yeah, not philosophy. It's just a tricky question.
That was a super tricky question.
You know? Okay.
I love it. I love it. Okay.
I have another one.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now I'm in this. Now I'm in this frame of mind.
You get into this like this field, okay?
Yeah, that was a practice round.
Yeah.
Okay.
I won't count this point, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Philippe and Repeat are on the tree. Philippe goes down. Who stay on the tree?
Philippe and Repeat.
Yeah, are on the tree. Philippe goes down. Who stay on the tree?
Philippe goes down. Who stays on the tree?
Yeah.
Do I not need to repeat that?
No, is this a question?
I'm just helping myself figure this one out. Okay. Okay. Say it one more time. Give it to me one more time. I've got this.
Okay. Focus.
Okay.
I will come close.
Okay, please.
Philippe and Repeat are on the tree. Philippe goes down. Who stay on the tree?
I feel like the trick is in the name Repeat.
That's right. Yeah, congrats.
Yes.
Yeah. You are on the next level.
Yes. Okay. Okay, I feel like it helps when I do this.
That's what's so funny, you know?
Okay. Have you got another one for me?
If you were an invisible person, what would you do at the first thing?
I would go invisible.
Yeah.
Is that not the first thing I would do?
Yeah. Imagine yourself, you're invisible. What will you do? Will you break like a bank or sneaking?
Oh, good golly! Oh, that's awesome. I would
just imagine yourself like, wow, you're invisible and no one can see you.
Okay. I would. Oh, there's so many things going through my mind, but I'm not sure what I can mention right now. So,
tell me the evil one. I like the evil one.
So do I. I really did like that one, but
yeah.
I don't think it's good for worldwide hearing.
Yeah.
Can I fly as well? Can I be invisible and be able to fly?
You will be invisible, so you can I
can hang on to an airplane.
Exactly, you know?
Okay. I would okay, the obvious thing I would definitely can I walk through walls?
You're invisible. You can't do anything.
Okay.
You'll be through from house to another house, from house to another house. Just you are like you are invisible, so you can't do anything.
I can do anything. This is, I mean, it's quite hard for the brain to comprehend. Like I can do anything.
Yeah.
I would walk through a wall. I'd definitely walk through a wall. Whatever I do has to include me walking through a wall, and yeah, I probably would break into a bank. But the problem is would I be able to, the money wouldn't be invisible and be able to come through the wall. So I would have to just, I'd
Yeah,
have to just,
exactly.
you know,
Just to
swim
play,
around in
yeah,
it.
just to play with the
Just play
money.
with it. And then I'll leave the money.
Yeah,
I'll leave the money in the bank.
yeah, yeah,
And I'll walk out. Okay.
yeah.
There we
Just for joy, you know.
go. Just for joy. Yeah. How much
Yeah,
fun.
yeah. How much
Be
fun
a,
you
be a
can
billionaire for a minute.
you know. That's the reason.
What would you do? What would you do?
Me? Wow.
Mhm.
I have some evil stuff.
You
But
see?
what you know? I can't. Just like this stuff that you came in your mind.
Uh-huh. Mm,
I
gotcha.
I could read it, you know.
Okay, now take those things and come down to the next level. What's over
Yeah.
here? What's over here that you would do? We can't mention those ones.
Yeah, we cannot. But actually, maybe they will understand us because everybody has
Everybody,
has like the same thing. Like, wow, what I will do if I be invisible.
everybody's thinking the same thing, right?
Yeah,
I know, I can see it.
there's the nature of the human, you know.
Nature of the human being, exactly.
Human being, yeah.
So, okay, well, you still have to share with me something.
Yeah, but I was planning to make it easy for you to pass the third session, you know. So ask me one. Any funny stuff or tricky question or anything.
Okay,
Just for
so
fun.
why was 7 afraid of 8? No, why was
7 afraid from 8?
Isn't that one? Isn't that one? No, why was 6 afraid of 7? Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Because 8 will eat them.
Because 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9. Wow, that's a good one.